The first strange thing is not the pig, it is the handwriting beside it. Defendant. In medieval Europe, some proceedings treated animals with a seriousness that looks impossible now. Clerks, witnesses, payments, judgment. The animal cannot understand the charge. The humans keep building a case around it. So why spend real legal effort on a defendant who cannot participate? Because records like this really do exist. Turn the first page, and the joke gets darker. Those cases usually began with disruption. A dangerous animal, a serious injury, a ruined crop, a village suddenly needing an official answer. The pig is silent, naturally. The humans are not. Our modern instinct is to close the file immediately. Medieval people were just irrational. But the next page is annoyingly professional. Not a tavern story, not a village prank. Records, expenses, names, official hands making events official. One famous record from Falaise in 1386 is not a neat courtroom transcript. It is mainly a payment receipt. But that almost makes it stranger. An executioner was paid for carrying out a sentence on a sow. The expenses even include a new glove. Somewhere, a clerk had to write that down with a straight face. Then another file from Savigny in 1457 fills the margins with humans. A judge, a prosecutor, a clerk, witnesses, legal experts, an executioner. The accused animals remain mostly nameless. The people get roles, titles, signatures, authority. And it was not only pigs. Crop-destroying insects or pests could be pulled into church-related proceedings with summonses, advocates, or orders to leave. Not the same kind of case, but the same strange move. When non-human chaos entered human life, humans answered with human ritual. By now, the strangest part is no longer the animal in the dock. It is the machinery around it. A private killing could remove a danger. A public proceeding did something else. It gathered people, assigned roles, recorded costs, and made the response visible. Look past the pig, and the room changes. There is a family that has suffered harm, neighbors who need to know what happened, officials who need to show that disorder has not won. A sentence turns a frightening event into something with a name, a record, and an ending. Maybe the trial was never mainly for the animal, it was for the people watching. Not because every case meant the same thing, or because medieval courts thought animals had modern legal responsibility, but because law can do more than decide guilt. It can stage order, it can say, this happened, authority has seen it, and the community may now move forward. So when the file closes on animal defendant, the label is still absurd. But now it points somewhere else. The pig was the defendant on paper. The real story was written across the faces in the crowd. For more strange history that gets less silly the closer you look, subscribe.